What is a factor? A factor is a number that divides another number without leaving a remainder. The number 1 is a factor of every number. Every number is a factor of itself. The largest factor of any number is the number itself. How to find factors of a number? Think of the numbers you can multiply to get that number. So for example, if I want to find the factors of 2, I would think of the numbers I can multiply to give me 2. 1 times 2 will give me 2. Therefore, the factors of 2 in ascending order will be 1 and 2. If I want to find the factors of 6, I would think of the numbers I can multiply to give me 6. 1 times 6 will give me 6, as well as 2 times 3 will give me 6. So therefore, the factors of 6 in ascending order will be 1, 2, 3, and 6. What is a multiple? A multiple is the product of a number and another number. Every number is a multiple of itself. How to find multiples of a number? Think of your tables. If I want to find the multiples of 3, then I would count in threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. If I want to find the multiples of 5, I would count in fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on.